Experiencing no service or data issues with your T-Mobile SIM card. It often stems from activation problems, physical damage, or configuration errors. First, ensure your SIM is properly inserted and undamaged. T-Mobile uses nano, micro, or standard SIM sizes, so ensure compatibility. Ensure your SIM is properly inserted. Check for physical damage like cracks. If SIM looks good, try basic device fixes. Restart your device. Toggle airplane mode on and off. For activation issues, connect to Wi-Fi. Use the T-Mobile app or website to verify your SIM is linked to your account. If these steps don't work, the SIM card may be defective and a replacement is required. If basic troubleshooting fails, incorrect APN settings are often the culprit, especially after OS updates. T-Mobile's default APN is fast.tmobile.com. Android users can reset this in Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network Access Point Names. iPhone users find APN settings under Cellular Data Options. Also, ensure your carrier settings are up to date by checking for software updates in your device settings. The future points to eSIM technology, which T-Mobile supports on many devices, reducing the reliance on physical SIM cards and potential hardware failures. T-Mobile is also investing in AI-driven diagnostics to autocorrect APN settings. For persistent issues, contact T-Mobile support for a SIM replacement.